Okay. So you're gonna add 10 mils of base, and it's a base invasion. So you're always writing the equation down. Good, perfect. Okay, now stop. Is it an equilibrium, or is it only one direction?
It's one direction.
It's one direction. What side's it favoring? No, the product side.
Yeah.
It's moving forward.
Yeah, this is a product. This is a product favored reaction.
I knew it. I was like, oh, the right side.
Okay, kind of talk to us while you're working this.
So we've got 0.01 molar of the acetic acid. We have 0.02 molar, 0.002 molar of the hydroxide, and we start off with nothing of the acid. So, conjugate base, sorry. You know we have less of the hydroxide, so that's minus 0.002. 2, add 0.002, comes out to 0.008. And then the acid wins, the buffer wins, so it's...
Okay, stop. How do you know it's a buffer? How do you know that? Why do you say
because
buffer to me?
the acid doesn't win.
Okay, so then how did you identify this as a buffer? In your stoic box there, how did you identify it as a buffer?
Because there's more of the acid than whatever base.
No, that's not it.
Um,
Look what you have up there. You have the acetic acid left behind, right? And you
Yes.
have the conjugate base. Think. Weak acid and
Weak acid,
conjugate base.
yeah. So it's got to be a buffer.
It's a buffer problem. And when you have a buffer problem, what's the shortcut to solve?
The Henderson-Hasselbalch.
Good, do it. That's what you've got to be able to do on this exam and on these tests. You're rushing through this stuff. I can see it in not all of you, but some of you are. You're rushing to go nowhere. Well, go to fail land. That's what you're not trying to do. You need to kind of set these up methodically. That's why we're doing this, so you can see, why am I doing it this way? Why am I selecting the problem to solve it like this? This is the reason we're doing this. And you'll notice if you take what we do and go onto YouTube and watch any other teacher's acid-base titration problem, you're going to see how simple it is. Now, if for some reason they're taking a much longer way to do the problem, and see how quick we're doing it. Okay, what type of system is it? You got to write that out. And how did you identify, once again, it's a buffer?
Because it's a weak acid and conjugate base.
Right.